Hello everybody! How are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! What do you think if today we are cooking an Italian bread focaccia with rosemary? Delicious. Yes? I can't hear you? Yes! Okay, so let's cook. We have extra virgin olive oil, 400 milliliters of water, 450 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 7 grams sachet of dried yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and rosemary. Place the flour, the yeast and the sugar in a big container and mix. Add the water a little at a time. Add the salt. Do not add all the water. First, check that the dough has the right consistency. Now add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and start to use your hands. Knead for a few minutes. As soon as the oil is absorbed, we'll check the consistency of the dough. This is the right consistency. Sprinkle a bit of flour. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 2 hours in a warm place. I'll show you a little trick. Turn on the oven and when it reaches 50 degrees, turn it off. Place the container in the oven to keep the dough warm for the next 2 hours. After 2 hours, cover a baking tray with baking paper and add a bit of oil. Pour the dough. Put a bit of oil on your fingertips. Flatten the dough, pushing to the corners. Let it rest for another half an hour. Meanwhile, mix a tablespoon of oil in a bit of water. After half an hour, push the dough with your fingertips. Drizzle with the mixture of oil and water. Add some salt flakes and rosemary. Cook for 25 minutes in a preheated oven, 200 degrees static, 180 degrees fan. What a smell! Look, it's soft and it's good. Try it. Did you like the recipe? If so, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos. Thank you very much and see you soon!